Hey, what's up everyone? It's Tio Yelo Autosports. Today I got a Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. This is a 2018 model. I absolutely love this truck. Reliability and off-road capability. Anyway, we're gonna do a window tint. We're tinting the two front windows. First thing I gotta do is I just gotta use my stainless steel blade. Make sure I clean the glass real nice. Any stickers on the glass, those have to come off for a clean look. So the first thing we got to do is we need to take this film and we need to create an exact model of this glass. So we're going to lay it on the glass, and from here I'm going to trim some of the excess just because I like to have a clean workspace to go with, and then we'll mark both sides, both my left and my right side with a marker line, and then we'll cut just outside of that because we always need a little bit extra just to tuck in. From there we're just going to open the window up, crack it just a little bit so I have a little gap, and from here I can just follow the bevel edge of the glass, and that'll give me a perfect straight edge on top. We go over to the peel board, and this is where I'm going to round all my edges, okay? So I'm going to straighten up everything that needs to get straightened out, give me the best possible shape to fit perfectly inside that glass, and then we're going to round the edges just to make sure the film does not catch as it goes up and down the gasket. Bringing the film back to the car, now we've got a perfect shape. The first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to shrink it. Now this glass is pretty flat, so it might not have big fingers that come up. Remember, we're trying to make a film that comes out of a roll flat, fit to a curvature of the glass. Like I said, the 4Runner is not bad, so let's shrink this. Alright, we're finally ready to install. So I've already cleaned the glass one more time just to make sure it's clean. Now let's go pick up the film on the outside of the glass where I had it waiting. And I'm just going to make sure that that's all nice and wet, and I can bring it on the inside and slide it around to make it fit. So I'm liking the way that it's looking. I've got both sides covered, both left and right, covering all the light that could be coming through. We get the top side matching with the curve of the glass. I think we're good, so let's lock this in. And that's it, guys. That's how you tint one window on the 4Runner. Now I'm just going to repeat that step for the second side, and we'll have two front windows tinted, matching the rear. We're going to give the client here the ability to have some UV protection and some heat rejection now with the ceramic film. Hope you guys learned something, and if you enjoyed the content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Peace.